Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to deploy work folder on Windows Server 2025 in domain network. Go to Server Manager. This is our local server properties. Our computer name is L-Server. Our domain is stb.local. Our Ethernet 0 IP address is 10.0.0.1. Now I am going to install work folders. Click on Dashboard. Click Add Roles and Features. Click Next. Roles-based and feature-based installation. Click Next. Click Next. Expand File and Storage Services. Expand File and ISCSI Services. Scroll down. Check on Work Folders. Click Add Features. Click Next. Click Next. Click on Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click Yes. Click Install. You will have to wait until the installation is completed. Installation succeeded. Click Close. Now I am going to start Windows Sync Share Services. Right-click on Windows. Click Run. Services.msc. Press Enter. Click Standard. Find out the Windows Sync Share Services. Let's double-click on it. Service status is stopped. Click Start. Now the service is running. Click OK. Close service. Now create work folder. Click File and Storage Services. Click Work Folders. Click Task. Click New Sync Share. Click Next. Click Enter a local path. Click Browse. Select E drive. Click New Folder. I am given it name Work Folder. Click Select Folder. Click Next. Select User alias at Domain. Click Next. Click Next. Grant access to group. Click Add. I am given grant access to domain users. Click Check Name. Click OK. Click Next. Click Next. Click Create. The sync share was successfully created. Click Close. Go to Windows 11 machine. Log on as Domain Administrator. stb/administrator. Put admin password. Right-click on Windows. Select Run. Type regedit. Click OK. Expand H key local machine. Expand software. Let's maximize console. Expand Microsoft. Scroll down. Expand Windows. Expand current version. Right-click on current version. Select New. Select Key. I am given it name Work Folders. Right-click on Work Folders. Select New. Select DWORD 32-bit. Allow unsecure connection. Let's right-click on it. Select Modify. Change value data. 1. Click OK. Close registry editor. Click on Windows. Click Type here to search. Type Control. Click Control panel. Go to search bar. Type Work. Click on Work folders. Set up work folders. Click Enter a work folder URL instead. Go to Server Machine. Click on Dashboard. Click Local Server. Our computer name is L Server. Go to Windows 11 machine. Type http://lserver.stb.local. Click Next. Click Next. I accept these policies on my PC. Click Set up work folders. Work folders has started syncing with this PC. Click Close. Now the work folders is open. Click Close. Work folders space is 19.1 gigabit. It is our drive space on server. Go to Server. Minimize Server Manager. Open File Explorer. Click on this PC. As you can see the space of drive. Go to Windows 11 machine. Close Work folders. Open File Explorer. Click Work folders. Now create a new folder. I am given it name called Admin Docs. Open this folder. Create a test file. Close this folder. Go to Server Machine. Open E drive. Open Work folder. Open Administrator at STB folder. Our Admin Docs folder is here. Open this folder. This is our file. Close this folder. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to deploy work folders on Windows Server 2025 and how to connect work folders on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.